Welcome to the training videos from Medi Orthopedics. The following film will give you helpful tips about using the medi SAS 15 abduction cushion. The medi SAS 15 can be used on either the left or right shoulder. After correct adjustment of the medi SAS 15, the patient can don the product alone post-operatively depending on the degree of mobility, whereby excessive strain on the operated shoulder should be avoided. Place the forearm that's on the side of the injured shoulder into the arm pouch and close this above your hand using the Velcro fastener. Now sit up and close the shoulder strap and the waist belt. Ask for help if you need it, so as to avoid any harmful movements of the operated shoulder. You should wear the medi SAS 15 both during the day and at night. You can wash the orthosis in cold water and mild soap suds and allow it to air dry.